Stop giving us these skimpy wigs, sis. Period. Not to me.
To me, it feels like it looks not natural. Like, it feels like I couldn't afford another bundle. It feels like I was cheap and I skimped on my own self, so now I don't really got no hair on. That's what it feels like to me.
Yeah. And it's only because it's skimpy. It's skimpy. It's skimpy. Okay. Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Period, sis. Okay, so this video is all about my hair. As you see, look, I got this wig a minute ago, maybe like 2-3 months ago from Diasa Hair, and I felt like it was too brassy, way too skimpy. Okay, and I just didn't like the color. Now, meanwhile, the color did not come out exactly how I wanted it to come out, but I still think it's pretty, and I think I saved it in the process. So this is my new ombre wig. If you want to see how I change this to this, keep on watching, honey. Okay, period. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Okay, you guys, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Keep on watching if you want to see this wig restyle, revamp, remake, period. Okay, so this is how the wig looks, and this is the extra bundle that I got. I got it from Bomi Hair, but it was on Amazon. I'll link that bundle down below. The bundle was only $25, so you know how that do. So I'm going in with my 40 and 20 developer. I probably should have only used 40 with this, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to apply the bleach. As you saw, that bundle is way lighter than the hair that we're putting it into because this hair is a lot brassy. So what I'm doing right now is just trying to get this hair to bleach down to the other hair's color so that it can go ahead and take the color that I wanted, right? So that's what you see me doing right now. And honestly, this is the thing that when it comes to when you buy wigs, and I said this in the other video, you can see it's all bleached. I'm just letting it process for 30 minutes. Whoa, I don't know why I'm doing the whoa. Okay, so this is after it's bleached, and it did get lighter, but not as light as I really wanted it to. So there was a difference between the other bundle and this hair. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm starting to put the tracks in, and I'm just literally going through. I'm going maybe 2 to 3 tracks in between and just adding that one track on that mesh cap that the hair clearly comes on. So that's all that I'm doing, and I do my sewing in a wrap over method. So I put that needle in. I wrap the thread around that needle and then I pull it through, so it makes little knots, and for me this is the best type of stitching. So once I'm done with that line, I just do it over and over again. So you see me starting this next line right here. I'm not showing you every single line because it's like really repetitive, and just how it goes. It's just repetitive. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying, this is the thing and my concern when I like order hair or get hair from companies with wigs. When it comes to this density thing, I feel like they go to the lowest density that they possibly can, and I prefer thicker hair. So in the process of adding these other bundles, I felt so much more comfortable with the thickness of this hair. So I'm really, really happy I decided to actually do this. So if you can afford it, if you bought a wig and you're like, I don't know, I would suggest just going on Amazon and getting like a cheaper wig. So this is how it looks with everything, and I'm still having a lot of brassiness, and I ignored it because I thought maybe that the brown would cover it, but this is where I kind of made a mistake. So this is my Kiss color in the color deep warm brown, and when you say the words warm, I expected it to have like a yellowy undertone. However, this is actually more of a cool brown once I, went into it, which is super weird. So, of course, I wanted to do the watercolor method because I'm lazy and I do not like going, track by track when it comes to dyeing, which I need to get back to, especially for situations like this. So I'm dipping the hair like I'm supposed to. Dip, 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 dip it all in. Something's wrong with me. So I'm leaving the tail out for a longer time because I want to make sure that it doesn't bleach too much. I want to still have an ombre look. So once I did that, I pulled it out after leaving it for like 30 minutes, and this is how it looked. Now, you can't tell, but I could tell it had a bit of a green tint. So what I did several times that I don't show is I washed it with the purple shampoo, the Shimmering Lights, to get some of that brassiness and green out and to kind of color tone it and treat it. So this is how the hair looks after all of that. So I still have my brown, but I still have my blonde, and it just looked so much better. So my friend Amy helped me do that because I was about to like just throw everything out. So now I'm just going in my got2b gel. I don't feel like using any glue because I won't be wearing this wig for that long. I want to be able to just take it off in case tomorrow I want to wear something different or whatever. I'll probably wear this for the rest of the week, but you know, that's just how it be. So I'm just laying it down as you've seen me do plenty of times before. But I'm actually going to do a video with only laying my wig, and I'm not going to do it in like the sloppy way like I'm doing it right now. I'm going to literally sit there and do step-by-step layage. So if you want to see a step-by-step layage of a wig, please comment down below and let me know, because I am going to be doing that very, very, very soon. And let me know if you want it to be done with glue or the got2b gel ball cat method, or maybe I'll do all of the different ways that you can lay. I'll make that into a little series. Alright, so after we lay that down, we're going to go ahead and do my makeup. I wanted a very natural look. And I'm just going to put big, huge curls. I don't even really want curls. I just wanted to have wave and just body, because I'm like, ooh, I like the, you know, I like the thickness of this hair, because it wasn't giving me that before. So that's really just all I wanted. I didn't want to do too much. Alright, so after I'm done curling, I'm going to take down that scarf, and I messed up with my makeup. That's why I usually like do my makeup without a headscarf on, but little line of demarcation, that's okay. Like, that's not, you know, it's not my fault. I mean, it's my fault, but it's not my fault. So I'm just trying to do a cute little middle part, and I'm just taking down a few of the little baby hairs or whatever like that. And this wig, I actually never bleached the knots. So once I'm done laying the baby hairs, I'm going to go in with some product to make it look more like scalp, okay? And I don't do too much baby hairs. I usually do like these 3 right here in the front. And I'm going, I'm good, I'm out. So this is a cream concealer that I have. I can't even remember where it's from. So I'm just using that. This wig is a 13x6. So I'm just going all the way down that part, because I love me a long part. And now I'm going in with my hair wax just to make sure I don't have any of those flyaways sticking up. And y'all, that's it. It's like, it was a lot. It was more of a struggle than I made it seem, but we made it, and I do love the revamp of this wig. The color just looks so much better. The wig just looks thicker. It's just so much prettier. Don't forget to join the flower game by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next one.